Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of motorsports and talking about one of the exciting rising talents, Kris Wright. Kris Wright is an American racing driver, born on April 3, 1995 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. He's best known for his work in sports car racing and his rise through various racing leagues, demonstrating his impressive skills and passion for the sport. Kris began his motorsport journey in karting, like many young racers. It's no surprise that karting is often the first step for drivers who later make it into professional racing, and Kris showed early on that he had the talent and drive to succeed. He competed in local and regional events, gradually building the skills necessary for higher-level competitions. In 2018, Wright made his debut in the prestigious IMSA, International Motorsports Association, Michelin Pilot Challenge. This was a huge step in his career, as IMSA is known for attracting some of the best up-and-coming drivers, as well as seasoned professionals. He didn't just make an appearance either. He quickly earned recognition for his performance on the track, showing not only speed, but also an ability to handle high-pressure situations. Wright's first major breakthrough came in 2020, when he competed in the IMSA WeatherTech Sports Car Championship. This is one of the top-tier racing series in North America, and landing a spot in this championship was a testament to Kris's dedication and skill. He drove for the 30 Team Hardpoint EBM entry, where he had notable performances in endurance racing, which is all about teamwork, strategy, and endurance, key qualities of a professional sports car driver. But his journey hasn't been all about success on the track. Like many drivers, Kris faced challenges along the way. The competition in motorsports is fierce, and it takes more than just driving skill to succeed. It also takes determination, focus, and the ability to constantly improve. Whether it was managing sponsor relationships or learning from each race, Kris has worked hard to overcome these hurdles. One of the unique aspects of Kris Wright's racing career is his versatility. He's not confined to just one series or type of racing. He has shown the ability to adapt and compete in different formats and classes, which is a critical asset in motorsports. From the high-speed sprint races to the grueling endurance events, Kris has proven himself as a well-rounded driver who can handle all types of challenges. Off the track, Kris is also known for his work ethic and his commitment to giving back to the motorsport community. He's active in connecting with fans and engaging in the broader conversation around motorsports, using his platform to inspire the next generation of drivers. Looking ahead, there's no doubt that Kris Wright's career is on an upward trajectory. With his talent, experience, and ambition, he's someone to watch in the coming years. He represents a new wave of American drivers making their mark on the global motorsport stage, and we can expect to see a lot more of him in the future. So, there you have it. A quick overview of Kris Wright, a name you should remember as he continues to make strides in the world of motorsports. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more motorsport stories, profiles, and updates. Let us know in the comments if you think Kris Wright will be the next big star in sports car racing. Thanks for watching.